We have to be truthful to ourselves. Let's be truthful. Things are really bad, in a very bad shape. Everyone is suffering it. And those who say it will not affect us are being affected. Today, Biafrans are shouting. Others have joined us in shouting. It remains now for them to understand that it is now time to expunge hatred. It is now time for them to expunge hate and see ourselves the way our ancestors saw themselves, because we worked together, we traded together. Before the coming of Nigeria, before the amalgamation, before the coming of the colonial masters, we worked together. We worked even on foot. We'd go to do business. From here in the Biafra land, we traveled to Benin. We traveled to the place that is currently called Lagos. We traveled as far as Ife. We traveled as far as parts of the north. There are traces of our ancestors living everywhere in the north. And of the ancestors of the north and the